Hi guys, I want to show you this new car handle I just got. It is for your 1999 to 2007 Chevy Silverado. That is for your 1500, 2500, and 3500. It also fits your GMC Sierra. It also fits the 2002 to 2006 Avalanche, the 1500 and the 2500 series, the 2000 to 2006 Suburban 1500 and 2500 series, the Tahoe 2002 to 2006, and the Cadillac Escalade. This is so nice to get because these vehicles literally last forever, and sometimes you have to change the parts. It's so nice to get something in a box like this, unlike going to an auto store where they might just hand you something without any instructions, or going to a junkyard. So this is a wonderful thing to get. Not only that, but it's going to save you time ordering it online and money doing it yourself. Let's take a look at what's inside. Inside the box, you will find the left car door handle, the right car door handle, and then they even send you all the necessary tools needed to install these products.
These door handles are crafted from custom-made reinforced plastic with a long lifespan and surface treated to create anti-caustic textured surface, as well as to be drop and heat resistant, as well as high corrosion resistant. These replacement GM part numbers are 150-34985 and 150-34986. The pair of door handles come in an OEM textured black finish with one 10mm sleeve, one 150mm screwdriver, one 10mm spanner, and one prying tool.
Handles are such good quality. They have met the standards of the OEM standardized test needed, and there is YouTube videos available for you to help with the installation process, which will save you time and money. The installation of these door handles is so easy, and they provide everything that you need. This is a wonderful way to fix that almost indestructible truck, van, or large SUV that you have.